Hello there.
And good morning.
We are exhausted.
We had a very early flight, so we are starting the day off correctly with copious amounts of caffeine, which I very much need. Otherwise, I transform into a murder goblin. Are you having trouble figuring out this spaceship of a car? We're not this fancy.
This is, it was really cheap too. I was not expecting this fancy of a car.
Well, probably because they're trying to incentivize people to go
Electric?
electric.
Mom, I'm scared. I don't know how this works.
I feel too dumb to drive this.
God, I'm a Neanderthal, that's for sure.
What is going on?
Yeah, what is going on?
I don't know. All right, so car acquired 70 years later. Now it's time for breakfast.
Breakfast!
Breakfast! Booby. For those of you that missed the memo and are like, why the hell are you in Colorado? We are meeting up with a local photographer to take some fantasy photos for our anniversary. And I'm also a smart person, so I planned it around the time of the Colorado Ren Fair. Because y'all know how much I love my Ren Fairs, because I'm a nerd. Are we get the same thing?
Mm-hmm. I returned the bagel.
Good. It is time to explore the great state of Colorado, or at least the area that we are in. I put on some makeup because I felt like a dead person. Bagels have been smashed. Today's not really an interesting day, so. 69%.
Nice.
I'll be vlogging right now, but I didn't bring my camera.
Oh, are you serious?
So it's okay, that's the iPhone is for.
Yeah, that's true. There's multiple ways to get there. Oh my goodness.
Hey.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
You didn't say that we were going to be hiking.
Yeah, have fun with that, buddy. I'm gonna stay down here because those stairs will literally make me pass out. But yeah, this place is pretty darn cool. I believe it's called Red Rocks. It's this really cool amphitheater that is in these giant red rocks. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And the boy is back.
Touch the butt.
Just in time too, because we got the notification that a severe weather storm is headed our way and we do not want to die on this trip. Isn't this place beautiful though? Like, gorgeous, darling. Did you enjoy that, honey?
I loved it. That was absolutely beautiful. Yeah, this is a part where in the game Horizon Zero Dawn, you get to climb all this, and I was itching. I just saw the rocks and I'm like, I'm gonna climb all.
That is some Pride Rock stuff over there. That's pretty. Wow. That's a pretty rock.
The rock?
Dangerously pretty. Just insert some Riders of Rohan music here. So I am very much regretting not buying the camera mount that I wanted to get that helps to stabilize footage. So I apologize if y'all are getting sick from all the shaky camera, because I can't help it. And whenever I use stabilization in Final Cut Pro, it crashes my flippin' computer. So y'all gonna have to deal with it.
Shook me like a dog.
See, this is a really cute town, but I don't know if you can see all of the cotton from the cottonwood trees floating around. Rip to my allergies. And to his allergies. You're a sneezy boy.
Yeah. Good thing I took a Zyrtec earlier.
Not sponsored by Zyrtec, but it could be!
The next day.
Welcome to day 2, and yes, that is a pile of hair. Good morning, it's time to get fluffy.
Welcome to Yael's workout challenge. Do this along with him if you can. I cannot.
I'm fluffy. On the road again.
There we go, on the road again.
Terrible. Everybody just unsubscribed. Yeah, we're gonna have a little picnic, and then we're gonna take some photos, and there's a little bit of traffic, but you know what? It's not as bad. Sorry, I was not in frame. I'm not paying attention. It's not as bad as California, at least so far. We've only been here for 2 days, so I need to stop making like sweeping assumptions about this place. I've literally been to like maybe a 5-mile radius. And the picnic in question is happening in the parking lot of the Whole Foods because we have to charge our car. And I spoke too soon because here is the traffic right outside of Denver. And now I'm gonna be quiet because this view.
Bloody gorgeous.
Welcome to Rivendell, Frodo Baggins.
Make some
Thanks,
fantasy.
That was way lower than I thought.
Please don't die.
And I know, I was trying to sit and I wasn't falling, I was trying to sit and it was lower than I thought it was.
Lucky I'm still recording. That on camera. Subscribe, please.
Subscribe to donate to the funeral. For those of you that are new to my page, we have been trying to do this photo shoot for forever. Last year was our 5th year anniversary and we had plans to go rent a cabin out in the woods and do a similar style photo shoot, but then a bunch of stuff went wrong, so we had to put it off for a year. But in the end, it all worked out because we won a photo shoot with a fantasy photographer in Colorado. So we made plans to travel here and do the photo shoot. And like I said, we also planned it around the Colorado Run Fair because, again, I love run fairs. So a big thank you to Savannah for arranging this photo shoot and taking us up to this beautiful place to take these photos. And I also want to thank her friend and assistant Daniel for helping out with the photo shoot. He did amazing. He helped us get the vlog footage for the behind the scenes, and he also helped with the poses and held the light reflector so we were well lit. And as you can see, the locations are breathtaking and we had so much fun. This has been a dream photo shoot of mine for so long because I want to get pictures done because we have not had good photos done since our wedding. And yeah, I know there's some irony there because I consider myself a photographer, and yeah, that's usually how it goes, right? Like, we take pictures of each other, but we very rarely take pictures together. So the inspiration for this photo shoot is obviously Fae Queen and Knight. However, I was also very much inspired by classic romantic paintings, and I wanted to emulate that feel with both the costuming and also the environment. I got my dress off of Amazon, however my husband, who is very talented, made his armor himself using craft foam. I've mentioned this in the past, but for those of you who don't know, my husband is a foam smith and he makes his own cosplays. If you would like to see his projects as well as the videos I help him make, I will be linking his TikTok down below, as well as his Instagram page. And of course, I will also be linking Savannah and Daniel's page below as well. And in case you're wondering, yes, this was pretty treacherous. However, I just went slow and I made sure I had my footing, and we helped each other out and we were fine. But just as a disclaimer, if you plan on going out to an area like this or this area in Boulder, just make sure you're careful and don't fall off a cliff. See, he keeps a very close eye on me because he knows I am clumsy. And if anyone's gonna fall off a cliff, it would probably be me. And despite how amazing these wings look, they do not actually fly. They don't work. I am a flightless bird. But if you like my wings, thanks, I made them myself. Link to the video is in the doobly-doo. Okay, but how magical is this meadow? Like, good God. Poor Daniel, though, was suffering because pollen is not his friend. Poor thing, look at his eyes. But he was a trooper and he did not want to quit. So everybody say thank you, Daniel, in the comments. And I can confirm he is alive and he is well. And this is where I ran out of batteries, so thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Tune in next week for my Ren Fair vlog. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified when that video comes out. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day. Bye!